Sterilizer autoclave solution, statimusa.com, 704-966-1650. A lot of customers report water quality unacceptable. That is because either the water quality in the machine is not below 10 parts per million of metal in it. I'm going to show you a quick way to determine that. First off, we got to establish the software number. To find the software number, you got to turn the power on and you got to find the last three numbers. In this case, it's 614. This particular machine, we can go into it and explore the service mode and the water quality. So I'm going to turn the machine back off. I'm going to hold down the unwrapped and the wrapped buttons, and then I'm going to turn the power switch on. See service password. It's unwrapped, wrapped, glove, stop. Now you can see that the arrow is next to calibration. We are going to scroll up until the arrow reads conductivity setup. Then we are going to hit the glove. When you get there, the low that the water can be is at 0.1 parts per million. The high is 10.0. In this case, it's 9.7 parts per million. So basically, this machine the water quality is unacceptable. So, but this is how you find the number. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 704-966-1650.